Okay, so yeah, let me start second session. Second session also we are discuss about same topic. You know, every I think Khushbu have also have a complete and I maybe also have a complete. Okay, and now means turn Rajesh. Rajesh, so would you like to say something? Whatever you means have a idea about this topic. Anyone they want to improve our English speaking level. So what should do? And after that means anybody they can improve our English language. Okay, Rajesh, you can.
Yes, sir. First of all, good evening to all. Today I'm going to speak about how to improve our English communications. First of all, I want to say you that, guys, if you want to improve our English communication, then you will have to mind always. Means I have to improve our English communication. Means always you will have to keep in touch in English. Means you'll have to watch everyday newspaper. You'll have to read sometime newspaper. You'll have to watch English video, and you'll have to watch broadcast, because English is very demandable language. If you have English of language, you can visit each and every places. Means just now I'm giving the example. Suppose that you go out of country, then you need English too much. Means if you have no knowledge of English, then you'll become like animals. Means you'll have to show your gesture and posture. And if you have knowledge of English, then you can communicate with that person. You can purchase each and everything. And here I want to say you that, and if you have knowledge, first of all, you can teach your children. It is also said that parents is the first teacher of any child. And if you have knowledge, you can teach our child. Means you can educate our families also. And English is really very demandable language, fantastic language, because you know very well nowadays, in today's modern era, there are many English school is increasing day by day, and Hindi medium school is decreasing day by day. Why? Because English is very means you can say English is very remarkable language. If you know English, then people will understand you are really, he's a very talented person. He's a very well person. He has knowledge of English. He know very well about the English. And here means if you want to fill up the form in any, then you need not to fill in the Hindi medium. Means you need English. Then you can fill any form. That's all from my side, sir.
That's great. That's great. That's really you spoke very well and also mentioned very remarkable and very means awesome word. Why? Because you know now why all persons they want to learn English language because nowadays we can see and we heard always time like unemployment the problem is day by day increase. You know why? Because mostly persons they have complete our all education in Hindi medium native language. Okay, what means where are you live and each every state has a different types native language. So it's all about domestic language, okay, native language. But when it become English, definitely it's a domestic and not domestic. It's an international language, and anyone
Yes, sir. Yes.
they can speak English. I guarantee. I give a guarantee. They find find very smoothly whatever we need. Okay, whatever he want. Why? Because suppose our India also when we talk about it, some metro city, you know, big city like a Bangalore, Delhi, and anybody they want to work these are cities. Definitely you can speak English and you can, you can understand and 100% you apply and means very soon you can get job. So it's all about means you think about it. And it's why mostly Indian persons they anywhere anyone they can speak English and all persons they think about yeah he's very intelligent person like a symbol Indian
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
person
Yes,
want
sir.
like a symbol definitely it's a true. Okay, Amit. So yeah, let me
Yes,
begin.
sir.
Listen, okay. So definitely, Amit, I know very well. You also think about it, and so I'm too much happy your work because I taught this 1 year 2 times with Amit. Definitely, he is also very considerate person, and I know very well. So I want to means listen something about the English language. Yeah, Amit. Through.
Thank you, sir. First of all, good evening to all. Giving me opportunity to speak about how to improve English fluency. First of all, English is a language. In my opinion, English is not my mother tongue, but it is a mixture of many languages. Mr. Chaucer is the father of English. father of English. Father of English. First, suppose we have to improve English. First, you mind fluent. After that, fluent speaking, then you mind grammar. Okay, practice of speaking English in front of mirror. Always read English newspaper as well as magazine, as well as paragraph daily, as well as don't even be nervous and don't have any hesitation. And make a group, making a group, and after making a group and practice English. I mean to say that nowadays a very importance of English for personality development, for competitive exam like banking, Air Force, SSC, like etc. And also for filling up an application form, and as well as for higher education like MBA, BCA, engineering, medical college, like etc. And also as well as suppose we have to go foreign country, that time we need English. How to speak in English for better and bright career, and also for private job like MR call center, as QT center for worldwide communication. English is essential part of our life. So in my opinion, English is very necessary. English is necessary in our life. Without English, English. Without English, suppose we have to speak English daily listening, writing, and watching lots of material on YouTube available. Too much. After that, I think, in my opinion, increase our fluency speaking English. In English, that's all, in my opinion, sir.
That's great. That's great. Okay, thank you, man. Yes, Neha, would you like to say something? Mitali ma'am, are you comfortable now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, would you
Yes,
like
sir,
to say
I'm
something?
comfortable.
Okay, you can speak. One
Yes.
minute. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So, good evening, sir. I'm very grateful to giving me opportunity to talk about very important language. English is the second global language, as we know, and it is the international language. So it depends on person to person how to communicate with someone. So English is a essential language while communicating as well as improving our skills. And whenever we teach and learn, we teach as well as learning. So that time English is very important to how to teach someone, and how we can learn from someone. So I think so. English, I'm talking about English. First of all, English is just like when we uh, uh, suppose we make any sentence. So first we know about letter, then letter, further word, then word. After make a word, then we create phrase, and after creating any phrase, then it's make a clause. So these structures further drive, so create any sentence. So any sentence, we make any sentence, while so these four important structures are important. So I think so in learning, so we should not prefer rote learning or memorization. Instead of we should make any sentence so that we can improve our English, and we should improve our vocabulary day by day. Apart from, we should improve our communication skills with someone, and while we improve our communication skills regarding any interview job, so that time we get a benefit so it's a completely influential language. So I think anything, we should not mug up anything in our mind. So we should learn. So how can we learn easily? So we should try to improve ourselves with make any sentence. Sometimes we use proverbs and grammatical sentences. So these all things are improve a lot. Thank you.
That's great.
Thank you,
That's
sir.
great. Yeah, yeah. Okay, okay, ma'am. Natali, ma'am, you also spoke very well, and you also mentioned very good point, and that's great. Okay, Ishniya, would you like to say something? Otherwise, we stop.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, Ishniya is.